Hi, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Funkathaa template application defined in the KodeInCloud. So what this app basically does is it allows users to get some fun codes and it allows you to broadcast some fun messages to the registered users. So let's look at how we are going to develop the logic of this application. So using this notepad to demonstrate it. So let's imagine the keyword of the application is FK. Then a new user can register to your application typing reg space FK, and user can get a new fun code requesting FK space get, and the user can ask for help typing FK help space whatever the message, whatever content you want to get to know, and user can unregister from the application typing unreg space FK. Okay. This is the basic flow of the application, and let's look at how we are going to implement this process. Okay, minimize this, and first of all we want to store the details of the user and when a new user registered to your application. For that purpose we have created a data store called user. So if you are not familiar with data stores, you can follow our tutorials. So for now I can show you. Let's click user tab, and it will load the preview of the user data store. Here you can see there are three properties as address, date, and registered state, whether is registered or unregistered. Okay, let's create the edit button, and here you can see the properties, and this is the address is set as the primary key of the data store, and you can add new fields if you want. In future you can add new fields when you are going to customize this template as well. So this is it. Here let's go back, and let's go to the dashboard again, and there's another data store named as a fun talk. We use this data store to store the fun codes basically. So let's click this, and here you can see there's this data store has two fields named as ID and talk. So ID is the primary key, which is auto number, and talk is the code. This field is storing fun code. You can upload whatever the fun code using this add new, clicking this add new button. So you can type something here and click the submit button to add the new fun code to the data store. Okay. That's it. Let's see. Okay, let's go to the dashboard again. Click this tab, and okay, now let's see what we are going to do when a new user registered your application. So basically what we should do is we should add a new record to the user data store. So let's click this tab, and you can see the editor of the KodeInCloud, the current editor. So here we have mentioned what is the logic, what should be happen when user registered the application. So what I have done here is when a new user registered your application, and SMS come to the application, so it represents this control. So SMS contains the address of the user and the message he has sent. So what you're going to do is use this now control. You can create an instance of this by clicking and dragging this icon. So this control can using this control we can get the current date and time, and we are going to insert a new field to the user data store as given here, and we include the address of the user data store as SMS address, which is the phone number, encrypted phone number of the user, and the date as the output of this control, which is the current date and time and at the moment, and registered state we include it as yes. You can type text here, so we include that as yes to identify. Okay, that's it. And after that we are sending a welcome message to the user describing how to use the application. So in here you can see the welcome message. So this is basically you can define as you like. So it should demonstrate how a new user can use the services of the application. So that's it, and let's close this. So this is a welcome message, and we reply to the user. So using this send SMS control, I set the address as the address of the SMS, which is the phone number of the user, and message as the output of the welcome message is control. So this welcome message we have defined in here. So that's it. Before we are going to simulate, I want to show you something else. So here you can see some small note icons. So if you click one of these icons, you can see some more details which describe what we are going to do using this control. So actually you can add a note as you like. If you want to modify this, or if you want to include your own note, you can just edit this and click copy button. So in the same way, if you want to add, you can add a new note as well for a new control. For an example, if you create a new control like this, right click on it and select the add note tab. So here you can add a new note tab. That's it. Okay, for now let's simulate this process. For that, click simulate tab and enter sample phone number, I think you like, and click the register button. So in here you can see the welcome message as we define in the logic. So that's it. So let's look at other processors of the application. So the next thing I'm going to show you is, as we mentioned previously, when user type the keyword and space get, we are going to give him, the application is going to reply him a new fun code, so a randomly selected fun code. So let's look at how we are going to develop this thing. Let's click the get a custom tab. So what we should do when user requests for get event is we should reply to the user a new fun code. So for that purpose we have used this retrieve on control. You can create an instance of retrieve on control using this icon. So what this retrieve on control does is it return a record, a single record selected from a particular data store, and you can double click this to view the what we have done here. So in here we have set the data store as fun talk, as you can see here, and we have filtered only the talk data field which contains the message, which is basically the fun code. And in here the most important thing is we are going to select a random code, because otherwise at each time we are going to reply to the user the same fun code, because this control retrieve the first matching item from data store. So we should tick this get randomly checkbox. So that's it, and cancel this. So we are going to reply to the user, same user, set the using the send SMS control. We can reply to the same user, setting the address as SMS address and the message as the get Funkathaa dot talk. Okay, that's it. Let's simulate this thing. Click the simulate tab and type sample phone number. Okay. And here you can see a sample, a fun code we have mentioned in the Funkathaa fun talk data store. So let's click enter again, and here you can see the user can get a new different kind of different fun code. So that's it. So let's clear this and let's go to the dashboard again. Okay, in the same way you can use this help custom event as well. In the same way we use this get custom event. So by clicking this tab you can see the logic we have defined under this custom event, and I'm not going to show you it because it's same as other events. So what I'm going to show you now is how to use these admin services named as broadcast and send user. This admin service, broadcaster service, we can use this service to broadcast a message to all the registered users application, and this admin service, if is sent to user, we can use this admin service to send a message to particular user. So let's see how we can do this. Click the broadcast tab. So in here, as you can see, this is the request control. So we can add properties, input properties to the request control. In here you can see there's a property called message we have mentioned, we have included here. So if you want to add some new inputs in future, in something new, so you can add new fields like this. Okay, for now just click cancel button, and we can use this broadcast SMS control. You can create an instance of here broadcast control by clicking and dragging this icon. So we can use this broadcast control to broadcast a message to all the registered users. So what we need is to just set what is the message of this control. So it should be the message property of the request. So that's it. And to confirm whether the message is sent to the users, we can type something in this response control. So we have used something as a message is sent, so to confirm whether the message is sent or not. Okay, that's it. Let's run this admin service. So in here you can select the environment, whether it is testing mode or actual live mode. So sandbox means the testing mode and production means the actual running mode. So for now, at the moment we are using sandbox, so since we are testing the application, so in here you can type whatever message you want to broadcast. Type friends and click the run button. So in here you can see the response as message is sent. And another thing I want to show you, if you select the production environment as a production and click the run button, you will see an error message like this. The reason for this is we haven't published the application yet, so it's not available at the runtime at this moment. So Don't worry if you see something like this, just publish the application, and then you can test it out how it will work at the runtime in the actual environment. So that's it. And let's see what you have done under send to user admin service. So in the same way, we have used this admin service to send a message to a particular user. So for that purpose, we have included another property and as address to include the address of the user and the message as we mentioned under broadcast as well. So that's it, and we set the address of the send SMS control as the requested address and the message as the requested message, and for the confirmation purpose we use this thing send to user. I'll set a message under response. So that's it. Let's run under sandbox mode. Okay, and type server phone number here and message hi user. Okay, that's it. Let's click the run button. So here you can see the response as sent to user, so which means the message has been sent. So that's it. So this is all about Funkathaa application. So hope you understood something about the application, and of course you can use this application as a base to create a variety of different applications, because in most of the application we have to use these admin services, broadcast, send to user data store, and to send some messages and help and all this stuff like this. So just click around and study more how to use this application and make your own one out of this. So all the best and have fun.